Today you're going to do a green screen project with Tyson. The project is called Where in the World is Tyson? And we are going to pretend that Tyson travels when he is not at school or with the Bison Beat. So you need to pick 5 different locations for Tyson to visit and save the pictures. One of the things that I'm going to caution against is if you find your picture, please do not click and drag to the desktop like that. The image comes out blurry, and I'm not going to accept any projects like that. So once you find your picture, if you have the black mouse, you can right click with the middle finger, or if you're on the Mac mouse, you can hit Control, click, save image as, and then save your picture. When you come into iMovie, I want you to create a new event, and you're going to go File, New Event, and then you're going to call that event Tyson. I will give you all the Tyson video that you will need. So you'll have the Tyson video, but you will need to find your own pictures. So once you have your 5 pictures, you're going to come in. So I'm going to import my picture. And then you drag the picture down. And then you drag Tyson in. You double click on Tyson. And you come up here to the top. It says cutaway. We want to change that to green screen. And then we could see Tyson is in the green screen. Now, this one did not work well, so actually I'm going to delete that one. Actually, I'm just going to go in and find another picture. See, we'll try the pyramids. I'll drag this down. Do my first one, and then you can drag the picture out. You're going to double click on Tyson and go up to the top and say green screen. Okay, so now we have Tyson walking among the pyramids. And again, come in here, click on the video so that it's yellow. There's a yellow box around it. Go to the volume and turn that down. Okay, you're going to want a title. So let's get a title. And I'll put that in the front. And we'll call this Where in the World is Tyson? So make sure you have all 5 of your pictures down. Your next title will be Where do you think Tyson will go next? And then, of course, a question mark because it's a question. And then you'll export that out. It needs to go into Google Classroom, and it needs to go into the shared drive under the Where is Tyson folder. If you don't know how to do any of that, please ask. Thanks, and have fun with this.